Okay, in 2014, the percentage of U.S. population speak English only to home is 82.1%. So I'm going to double this down. I know it's the same as what I just had there, but P is equal to 0.821. And again, you want a decimal form. It says choose 16 U.S. people at random. So N is 16. And what is probably exactly half of them speak English only? Well, if we got 16 chose, then exactly half is 8. So probability of x equals 8. Okay, it's going to match our first form here. Probability x equals something, and whatever follows your x equals is your a. So in this case, a is equal to 8. And we'll plug it in our first form here. So we'll have equals binom.dist, and then a n p false for our parameters. A n p and false. Move my decimal point 2 places to the right to change it to percent, and then round to 1 decimal place, and I'd have 0.3%. So that's pretty small.